Hello, good morning. My name is Darshan Toita. Today I will explain ethambutol. The first one is introduction. Ethambutol is an anti-tubercle drug. It mainly uses the treatment of TB, usually given in combination with other anti-TB drugs. Classification: ethambutol belong to the first line anti-tubercle drugs. Other first line drugs: isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazimide, streptomycin. Mechanism of action: ethambutol inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis. It acts by blocking arabinoisin transferase enzyme, prevents growth of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Uses of ethambutol: pulmonary tuberculosis, extrapulmonary tuberculosis, drug-resistant TB, typical myobacterial infection. Dosage and administration: given orally in tablet form. Dose depend on body weight and age. Usually taken only daily. Important: must complete full treatment course. Pharmacokinetics: well absorbed by from gastrointestinal tract. Distribution throughout body tissue. Extracted mainly by kidney. Side effects: common side effects: nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, joint pain. Serious side effects: optic neuritis. Toxicity: optic neuriticity, blurred vision, red-green color, blindness, reduced visual acuity. Prevention: regular examination during therapy. Contraindication: optic neuritis, severe kidney disease, hypersensitivity to ethambutol. Advantages: effective against TB bacteria, help prevent drugs resistance, uses safely in combination therapy. Conclusion: ethambutol is an important first line anti-tubercle drug. Early diagnosis and proper treatment improve TB outcomes. Monitoring vision is essential during therapy. Thank you.